Hello friends, welcome again my channel Unscrambler, and in this video I will solve this Megamorphic Rubik's Cube edge pieces. So in part 1 I will solve these centers. Now in part 2 I will solve these edge pieces. So these are our edges. For example, this is blue, we will match another blue in this position. So we will solve our this edge piece and we will also complete our all edge pieces. So we can solve these edge pieces by using this simple 4x4 Rubik's Cube trick. So when we solve this simple 4x4 Rubik's Cube, we can solve our edge by using this kind of trick. For example, this is white blue, this is our second white blue. So this is our half edge, this is our also half edge. In this cube we can use this kind of trick. First we will match these two pieces, then rotate in this position, then replace with this extra piece. So place this piece on this position and bring it back. So we can see our edge we have solved properly. But sometime in this cube we can use another kind of trick. First I will show second trick and then I will solve our this Megamorphics. In this 4x4 cube, sometime we can solve our cube by using this trick. For example, this is white red, this is our second white red. So they are both in same line. I mean they are not opposite to each other. When we find this kind of situation, so we can place these two edge like that and bring this edge on this position, and also first we can bring edge on this side. So anyone we can place, I mean this edge if I place on this position, and then I will apply algorithm R U R prime F R prime F prime R, and now I will back our step. So you can see we have solved our edge. So same these two kind of tricks we will use in this Megamorphic Rubik's Cube. Now we will start. So this is green, we will fix our this small green piece on this position. So we will find, okay, so we have our second green on this position. So this is same case, they are in same line. When we find this kind of situation, so we can rotate any one. I can place this piece on this side like that and apply algorithm R U R prime F R prime F prime R, and now we will rematch our center. So we have solved our green edge piece. Similar we will find any other. So this is green, we can check from this top side. So we have no any second green piece. Okay, so in this side we have our second piece. So same situation we can hold like that. We can place this piece on this side and also we can place this piece on this position and apply our algorithm R U R prime F R prime F prime R, and now we will rematch our center. So you can see our second edge piece we have solved. Similar we can select any one. So this is red, we will find our second red piece. So there is our second red piece, and now we can see this is our second case. They are opposite to each other. When we find this kind of situation, we will match like that, then place any one extra edge piece, extra mean unsolved edge piece, on this position and replace by using this trick. So our trick is F R prime F prime, and now we will rematch our cube. So this is fixed and this is done. We will find any other. So this is red, this is blue, this is blue. We can solve this easily. So match these two and replace with this by using F R prime F prime, and now rematch our centers. So this is also done. We will find any one. So we can select red and blue, and in this top side we have also available, sorry, We cannot solve these two because we have two small piece available and also we have two big piece available. We need one small piece and one big piece. So we can find any one. Okay, so this blue we can match with this. So just match like that. Find any unsolved edge piece and replace with this by using F R prime F prime and rematch our centers. So this is also done. Now we can match this yellow with this. So bring it up and we will place any extra edge piece. So this is our solved. This is also solved. So in this side we have no any extra edge piece and in this side we have available. Now we can replace this edge from this side. So F prime L and then F and just rematch our centers. This is fixed. Now we will find any other. Okay, so this is red big piece, this is small red piece. So we can hold like that. Bring this piece on this side and apply R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. So this is done and rematch our cube. So this is also solved. There is big yellow, there is small. We can match these two. So we will place this piece on this side and continue our algorithm R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R and rematch our center. Now we will check our remaining edge pieces. So this is unsolved, this is unsolved. So these two are unsolved and these two are solved. These are also solved. Okay, so now we have left with last two edge pieces. We will create our second situation like that. So we will find this kind of situation. I mean we will place these two red in same line, we will place these two blue in same line. When we left with these two edge pieces, we will place our pieces like that. I mean we will place in same line. And now we will bring any one piece. We can bring on this side this red piece like that and apply algorithm R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. And now we will rematch our centers. So this is done and all edge pieces we have done properly. And our this step we have completed. So in next step I will solve our cube same using this simple Master Morphics Rubik's Cube.